Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Hi, I'm April. I'm usually the one that's cooking and behind the scenes, but I wanted to jump on and just say hello and introduce a dish that I'm excited about. This week we made some refried beans, which I just uploaded that video. I'll link it. We made refried beans with roasted vegetables as a taco. And stay tuned till the end and I will show you how you can use up your leftovers. I can't tell you how delicious the leftovers were, so stay tuned for that. But these tacos, let me kind of explain it to you. It's a warmed up corn tortilla with some refried beans smeared on the top, and then the roasted vegetables are on top of that. We also topped ours with some creamy avocado. I'll have to share that with you. It was really good. You could top it with like guacamole or some fresh salsa, but it was really delicious. And these tacos are not only healthy, but they are really good and really easy to make. Super simple. I am a fan of sheet pan meals, where you can cut up a bunch of vegetables and just roast them in the oven. These are really good, and if you make this, let me know what you think. I love to hear feedback of stuff that I just create in the kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe with the bell. Come back to my channel. I have so many recipes to share. So let's get cooking. And here's a look at the ingredients we'll be using. Some tomatoes, some onions, sweet potato, the beans for those refried beans, and garlic, peppers, zucchini, jalapeno, purple cabbage. Everything is so colorful and so healthy. And we will be using taco seasoning and some olive oil. So grab your ingredients. You'll want to wash your vegetables and then get ready to prep everything. I love sheet pan meals. Just like I said, we do this about once a week. We'll kind of cut up whatever vegetables we have and add a little bit of chicken and then toss it with olive oil, salt and pepper. Sometimes I'll just roast it like that, or I'll add in I love using this ranch dressing powder stuff. That works great too. Or a homemade dressing. Comment below and let me know if you've ever had a sweet potato taco. We made some, actually the recipe is on cityfoodiefarm.com, but we cook some in coconut oil and used like a refried beans with it and that combination is really good. Now with these tacos, with adding sweet potato with the other vegetables, it's so good. It's got a little bit of sweetness and mixed with the other vegetables, it's so delicious. Now, I usually leave the garlic cloves whole, but I learned a little tip from Maple Cook that you can smash your garlic cloves with the back of your knife. Of course, being careful so you don't stab yourself. But supposedly it's supposed to be healthier, and I have to agree with that, maybe healthier, but I would agree that it tastes so much better than leaving just a whole garlic clove. So if you haven't subscribed already, head over to Maple Cook. It's amazing what you learn from other people. That's why I'm sharing. I have actually learned so much just by watching other people's videos. And now that prep work is done, you'll want to drizzle in some olive oil and make sure that all your vegetables are coated, so mix them around. And I'm adding a little bit more olive oil. But now grab your taco seasoning pack and just sprinkle it over the top. Your vegetables are ready for the oven. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And we can start the cooking process. And they'll be cooking for about 50 minutes or until they are how you like them. I could have let these cook for a little bit longer, but the majority of all of them were cooked perfectly together. Sometimes you'll notice some things cook faster than the other, but everything was so delicious. And after you've warmed your corn tortillas, and when your beans are ready, your refried beans, make sure you check out that video. You can start dishing up your roasted vegetables. Doesn't this look delicious? Look at this. Oh, so good. Just wait until you taste the combination of the beans with the roasted vegetables and with the sweet potatoes. It's my favorite. And I didn't even use cheese. So if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, I think you could eat this. So here's how we put ours together. We warmed up our corn tortilla. If you have a gas stove, this is my favorite way to warm them up. And they get a little bit of color on them. And for this Taco Tuesday, we made some homemade salsa that will make your tacos. And also this, what I was talking about, this creamy avocado. It's avocados blended with Greek yogurt and cilantro, probably jalapenos. I'll have to get back to you on that. But it was so delicious. And then we started with the corn tortilla. We added some beans on top. And then we scooped on some of the roasted vegetables. And then some of that avocado, the creamy avocado. But feel free to use regular guacamole or any topping. You could just use salsa or some queso fresco or regular cheese, whatever you like. But we also added some of our homemade salsa. And then, of course, like any of our tacos, we always add on some cilantro. Okay, what do you guys think? Comment below and let me know if you would eat this taco, this roasted vegetable with refried bean taco. I have to tell you, it was one of my favorites. I didn't use any cheese. We were out of queso fresco, but with the creamy avocado on top, it was perfect. So let me show you what I made with the leftovers. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed that recipe. Now let's talk about the leftovers. So we made this dish, we had it for 2 nights. 2 nights, yes. It was a great meal. And then we had a little bit left over, so what I did was I put it on top of avocado toast. And let me tell you, it was so delicious. I am a fan of avocado toast, and so if you have leftovers and you have just enough for maybe one more taco, but you're tacoed out, make some avocado toast, take some bread, take an avocado, toast the bread, put the avocado on top of it, kind of smushed it down, and then warm up those roasted vegetables, put it on top with a little bit of salt, and let me tell you, it's delicious. Thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you can make this and let me know. I would love to hear what you think. Bye-bye.